Hi everyone, it's Joni here. Welcome back for another painting tutorial in acrylics. Today I'm going to be showing you how to paint a pretty landscape very simply using a few colors. I'm working on an 11 by 14 double primed and stretched canvas, and I'll be using the following brushes: a number 10 Filbert brush, a number 5 fan brush, and a 2-inch flat brush. We'll be using these colors here: Hooker's Green, Phthalo Blue, Lamp Black, and Titanium White. So we'll add some blue and green. We'll take both those colors, scoop them up, and start painting the canvas up and down. Take this deep bluey green, beautiful shade. As we're doing this, there's lighter and darker shades of blue and green on the canvas that helps to give light and shadow to your painting, ultimately creating more depth. Okay, the next color, we're going to take some white. Without washing my brush, I'm just going to scoop up some white, and I'm going to add this in the middle. Blending wet into wet. I'm going to load my brush up with a little bit more white, and I'm going to pull side to side about 2 to 3 inches up from the bottom. Just in the center here, making it a little bit brighter and keeping it darker on either side. Okay, I'm going to take my fan brush now and pull into the white, loading both sides, turning and pulling. And I'm going to start tapping. We're going to add some little branches and trees in here. I'm going to come down here and continue tapping, bringing it right into the foreground, pulling it over, off towards the left. I'm going to take my brush and add just a little sweep and a scoop, sweep, okay, I'm going to take my Filbert brush next, and I'm going to add some white. I'm going to turn it this way, not the full width, but to make it narrower, and I'm going to add a few little branches very lightly. And we'll come in from this side. Now you can approach this step on a dry canvas as well, but if your paint is wet like mine, you can go ahead and pull that white over those other colors, letting it kind of mix and make new shades. Okay, I'm going to come down here, I'm going to pull across with the white, I'm going to leave a space, pulling these lines and then making them closer together and a little bit skinnier. And that will give us some steps, longer and wider down below because it's closer to us in the foreground. Closer together and narrower because they're going off into the distance. Take my fan brush again, load it up with some more white, and add a few more layers and highlights on these trees. I'm going to load just the end of my brush with a bit of that white. And just gently turn and tap. So it kind of makes it look like there's some cascading little vines and bushes in here. Now we're going to come in and add some black. With my Filbert brush, I'm going to take a little bit of black just on the end. I'm going to add some more branches. Making these ones darker on the outer edges of the canvas. I'll load my brush up again and come over to the right side. And then I'm going to add a little bit of that black in between the little steps. Mix the green and blue with some black, and I'll go up and over 3 times for some rocks in the water. I'm going to add a little bridge right over here. I'm going to use the same brush, same colors. Load the end of my brush up, and we'll have it start from here and bring it over. You can have it lighter or darker than the background color. Lighter or darker than the background color so that it stands out. I'm going to add another line right above it. And then a few lines straight up and down. I'm going to tap in with my green and black mixture. A little bit of blue in there still. Push and tap for a little bank. Okay, then I'm going to go back over to the Filbert brush, load it with some white. And we'll just tap in some more little bushes here. And then I'm just going to take my brush and very lightly pull down gently here and there. A little bit more white. Very lightly. Right underneath the bridge. Filbert brush with a little bit of white on it. And we'll add a little highlight. I'm going to tap a little bit of texture on here. Look like some moss or flowers. We'll add the last little bit of highlights over here. Just tapping the same way we did with the Filbert brush or the fan brush. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in another video. Bye!